zap. Word forms: third person singular present tense zaps, present participle zapping, past tense, past participle zapped. To zap someone or something means to kill, destroy, or hit them, for example with a gun or in a computer game. Synonyms: hit, shoot, blast, kill. The laser weapons are designed to zap enemy missiles.
Zero. Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense zeros, present participle zeroing, past tense, past participle zeroed. To adjust fire on a specific target. Word origin from Italian, from medieval Latin zephyrum, from Arabic sirfemti. She immediately zeroed in on the weak point in his argument.
Zip. Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense zips, present participle zipping, past tense, past participle zipped. When you zip something, you fasten it using a zip. Synonyms: belt, button, do-up. "I'll see you tomorrow," said Rahat, zipping his jacket.
Zone. Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense, plural zones, present participle zoning, past tense, past participle zoned. To divide into sections for different uses or purposes. Synonyms: divide, distribute. This area is zoned for residential use.
Zoom.
Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense, third person singular present tense zooms, present participle zooming, past tense, past participle zoomed. If prices or sales zoom, they increase greatly in a very short time. Synonyms: rise, rocket, soar, escalate. Profits zoomed from nil 5 years ago to about 16 million last year.
Zonk. Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense zonks, present participle zonking, past tense, past participle zonked. To strike resoundingly or hit heavily. Synonyms: to strike, beat, hit, stun, etc. Police really zonked me.
zigzag. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense zigzags, present participle zigzagging, past tense, past participle zigzagged. If you zigzag, you move forward by going at an angle first to one side then to the other. Synonyms: meander, snake, twist, wiggle. Expertly he zigzagged his way across the field.
Zis. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense zizzes, present participle zizzing, past tense, past participle zizzed. To take a short sleep. Synonyms: doze, snooze, nap, siesta. You look so tired. Go to have a zizz.
Zig. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense zigs, present participle, past tense, past participle zigged. To turn or change direction suddenly. Usually used in contrast to zag. Synonyms: tack, twist, undulate, squiggle. They zigged to the left. Zing. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense zings, present participle zinging, past tense, past participle zinged. Move rapidly, making a high-pitched ringing or whining noise. Synonyms: dash, fly, sail, shoot, speed, sprint, zoom. I could hear the bullets zinging past my head.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.